Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on integrating WebinarKit with AWeber. If you're new to either platform, check the description for a free trial link. Existing users can simply log in and follow along. First, create a Zapier account to connect WebinarKit with AWeber. Once logged in, go to the Zapier dashboard and click Create, then select Zaps to start your automation. If you need help, the Copilot feature is available to guide you. Next, choose WebinarKit and AWeber from the list of apps and fill in all required details on the right side of your screen. Sign in to WebinarKit first by entering your email and password, then click Continue. Repeat the process to connect your AWeber account. If your AWeber account is already connected, you can skip this step. If not, select your account, enter your login details, and click Allow to authorize the connection. After connecting both accounts, configure your settings as needed. When everything is set, click Publish to activate your Zap. And that's it. Your automation is now live and you're ready to streamline your workflows.